In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply custom formatting to the subject line in Gmail. Emails. Gmail itself does not offer bold, italic, or fancy font options inside the subject line field. The way people create that effect is by using a text style generator that converts normal letters into special Unicode characters. When you paste those characters into Gmail, the subject line can appear stylized to the recipient. Keep in mind that these are not true formatting controls, so the exact look can vary a little between devices, inbox apps, and operating systems. To begin, open a subject line text generator in your web browser. In the generator, type your subject line exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to check spelling and capitalization now, because it is easier to correct it before you copy the styled version. Also, keep your subject line short and readable. Overly decorative styles can reduce clarity and may look crowded on mobile screens. Once your text is entered, look through the list of available styles. You may see options such as bold, italic, script, or other variants. Find the style that best matches the tone of your email. For example, a subtle bold style can help a subject stand out without looking spammy, while more elaborate styles may be better for informal messages. When you have chosen a style, click the copy option for that style. This copies the converted text to your clipboard. Next, switch over to Gmail. Open Gmail in your browser and click Compose to start a new email. A new message window will appear with fields for the recipient, subject, and message body. Now go directly to the subject field and paste the styled text you copied from the generator. Make sure you paste into the subject field, not the body of the email. After pasting, pause for a second and confirm that the text looks correct and that no extra spaces or symbols were added at the beginning or end. If something looks off, go back to the generator, choose a different style, copy again, and paste again until you are happy with the result. Once the subject looks the way you want, you can continue writing your email as usual, and that is all there is to it.